What's up guys, it's Wubny here, and today's video is going to be about an item you can buy today that will save you tons of money and will save you tons of time when it comes to eBay. There's lots of things you need to know when it comes to reselling on eBay. You need to know how to source your items, you need to know what to source, you need to know how to list your items, you need to know how to ship your items, and you need to know how to print your labels. So if you've been selling on eBay for a while, or even if you're new, you know that sourcing is the most fun part, going to garage sales, going to thrift stores, while when it comes to listing items, shipping items, and printing the labels for the items, that's kind of the more boring part. If you just started eBay, the first thing you need to know is to never take your packages to the post office. They charge retail postage, and that's costing you dollars each item, which adds up to hundreds over the month. Okay, now that you know you shouldn't take your packages to the post office, where else can you print them? If you don't know, you can print them from home from the actual eBay website. Doing this will save you tons of money because as an eBay seller, you get a huge discount when it comes to postage. So this is where the actual item for the video comes in. Most of you guys probably just use a basic ink printer, and whether you use tape to tape your labels on or you use the peel stick paper, you're losing a lot of money doing that. So when it comes to tape, when it comes to ink, when it comes to just the physical labor and the time, long term, it's definitely not going to be worth it. You're losing out on a lot of money that you could be saving and a lot of time you could be using to spend sourcing or listing items. So what if I told you you can print labels without ink? Sounds crazy, right? I'm going to show you what I use that prints labels without ink. This little thing right here will save you hundreds to thousands of dollars a year. This little thing on this little desk, about the size of my hand, will save you that much money a year. Just as a comparison, I'm gonna go show you the old printer I used that is even compact for an ink printer. This printer right here, look at how much bigger that is. That wouldn't even fit on my desk. You might be asking, what is that little thing? How does that little thing save you so much money? And why is it so little? Well, starting off with question 3, I don't know why it's so little, but what it is, it's a Rollo thermal printer. There's plenty of thermal printers out there. There's Dymo brand, there's Zebra brand, but I bought the Rollo brand and I'm loving every time I've used it. I haven't had any issues with it. It's been really quick. It was really easy to set up. And best of all, it prints labels like this. It's so fast. It's crazy how fast this thing prints labels. New, they go anywhere from about $160 to $200. You can find good deals on Facebook Marketplace or online. I got mine new for about $165 on Amazon. It is a one-time purchase plus labels, which if you buy in bulk aren't expensive at all. But enough talking, I have a bunch of orders I have to print labels for. I'm going to show you guys how fast it prints all of these packages orders. So guys, I have the labels right here. It is 7 items. This would typically take me about 25 to 35 minutes to tape these on because you have to tape the top, sides, and bottom. This is just peel and stick. I don't want to show you their information, so I'm just going to show you I have all 7 labels or so. So yeah, this is, you can see right here. Let me press print, and you're going to see how fast it takes. Boom. Watch how fast this goes. It's that easy. That's how long it took compared to 25 to 30 minutes. This is peel and stick, so I just peel off the paper, put it on the package, and I'm done. That's basically it for the video, guys. Buying one of those thermal printers will save you tons of money and time long term. Keep flipping.